Let's talk about two parts of this backyard at 4060 Arrowhead Drive. First of all, this backyard is huge. It's almost 70 feet deep. The typical backyard in Lake Havasu City is anywhere from 25 to 35 feet deep. Imagine what you could do back here. All this space. A swimming pool, a casita, more garage space. Just imagine it and build it, but we're gonna show you even more. And below the 70-foot deep lot, we have this huge flag lot that's included with the property. The total property is almost an acre. It's 0.84 acres, and you have a 70-foot backyard and a big enough lot down here to do a double, triple RV garage, build a shop, whatever you can dream of, you could build it down here as long as it's attached to the property. This lot unfortunately cannot be detached from the house, and it does have road access straight down from the property. In addition to all the backyard space and extra land at 4060 Arrowhead Drive, we've got a paver driveway, insulated garage doors, exterior stone, beautiful lighting, beautiful landscaping. You're gonna love this house. Let's go take a look inside. Coming through the entry of the property, we have a beautiful 8-foot door with a complimentary side light, beautiful lighting, coffered ceiling accents. One of the great things about this house is all the storage. So let's count the storage closets. First, we have one, the entry storage closet. This has an access panel for alarm and stereo. It also has 2 shelves and a shelf and pull closet system. Storage closet number 2 is a linen storage for this guest bedroom. Storage closet number 3 is right when you come in from the garage. We've got linen storage, enough room for a vacuum, things like that, but you might not need a vacuum. We'll talk about that later. Let's see. Number 4, in the master bathroom, we have another linen closet storage. And 5, check out this pantry. Whoa, I'm getting lost in the pantry. All the way back here, we've got lots of shelves. We have extra plugs if you want to plug in appliances back here. This pantry is huge. All right, so we're in the laundry room. The laundry room has a nice little granite folding table, upper cabinets, and a closet. Let's go in here, check this out. So this closet actually goes into the master bathroom. And what's really great about that is if you wake up and you go to work, you don't have to open the front door and let all the kids know that you're heading off to work. Or if you're trying to get out to the boat a little early before everyone wakes up and eats breakfast and you want to get it down at the channel, you can do that. Go right through the laundry room and out through the garage. Let's talk about this great room. This great room is huge. You can see how the couches get swallowed up into this room. So there's plenty more room for more furniture. The furniture, by the way, is included. We have a beautiful table over here with a setting of 6. Let's go into the kitchen. This kitchen has a sitting island. The dishwasher and the sink are right over here. It's a molded single sink that's a granite color. If you take a look over here, we have pull-out trash drawers and a beautiful faucet to complement the sink. All the cabinetry is soft closing drawers and doors for that easy close experience. If you get frustrated and slamming cabinet doors is your thing when you get upset, it ain't gonna work here, I'm sorry. All right, so here's why you might not need space for the vacuum in the vacuum closet, but you know, you can still put brooms and mops in there. This has a built-in central vacuum system with the hoses integrated in the wall. So if you pull out the hose, turn the vacuum on, and you're in business. You can vacuum, and this is how you put it away. And you're done. Let's talk about some technical details with this house. This house is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath on the inside of the house. There's an additional bathroom in the RV garage that also services the patio and the pool area. The drywall on this house, all the drywall is 5/8 drywall, which is extra thick. Every wall in the house is insulated, interior and exterior. The exterior insulation is netted and blown insulation. The interior walls are all batted insulation. All of the drywall is hand textured. The roof sheeting is TechShield roof sheeting, which cuts down on your energy bills. The house is wired for camera and alarm systems, and it's wired for speakers in the living room, the patio, and the garage. Speaking of the RV garage, this RV garage is set, it's wired, it's ready to go. We've got a beautiful epoxy garage floor. We've got soft water hose bib for your RV. We got RV dump. We got 50 amp RV plug. There are sensors for alarm systems in the garage. We're wired for flat screen TV right over here. We're wired for speaker up here, volume control, and it has a rear garage door. So if you have patio furniture out there or you want to build additional structures or a pool, you have easy access. Now let's go check out this little bathroom out here that's attached to the garage. This is a great little bathroom. It's a half bathroom, and it services the future pool or the patio or the backyard. And it's also a great place to clean your grubby hands after working on the cars and boats and things like that. Again, my name is Chad Nelson with the A-Team at Coldwell Banker Realty. Thank you for touring 4060 Arrowhead with me. If you want to see this home, please call or text us at 928-486-9946 or see it on our website, havasuhero.com.